welcome to Helping Puppy. Now the dog might want to go out. Unfortunately, our puppy has broken his leg, so he might need help getting outside. Oh, you poor dog. What you need is a nice, refreshing, soothing hot drink. Here's your nice drink. Now it's important to keep your dog well fed. There you go. Now let your dog get lots of open air. Let the dog have plenty of space to run around in the garden. Now it's important to give your doggy a nice bath.
5 minutes later.
You should be about ready to come out now. Now it's time for doggy to dry off.
Three minutes later.
Whoops, just a little bit too long.
Oh my God.
Now remember, it's important not to let your dog play out on the road, otherwise you might get a nasty unexpected call like this. Hello, sir.
Hi. I'm sorry, but your dog got in the way of my car. And, oh God, this, right. You know exactly what.
Well, I think that's the end of Helping Puppy for today. Bye.